Here's how to connect COROS heart rate monitor to Garmin watch. First is long press the button that you can see on your Garmin watch. Afterwards, you will see there the settings options. Click on that. Afterwards, scroll down on the settings until you see there the accessories options. Click on the accessories options as well. Afterwards, you'll be able to see there the add new options under the accessories option. Now click on that. Afterwards, click on the heart rate option so that you can go ahead and connect the COROS heart rate to your Garmin watch. Afterwards, you'll be able to see there searching for a sensor. What you need to do is wait for a few seconds until the heart rate will be officially connected to your Garmin watch. Now you can go ahead and see your heart rate to your Garmin watch without complication.